The Ekiti State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Ado Ekiti has upheld the victory of the candidates of the All Progressive Congress, Biodun Oyebanji, in the June governorship election in the state. Oyebanji had polled a total of 187,057 votes to defeat his closest challengers, Shegoni of the Social Democratic Party and BC Kolawole of the People's Democratic Party. The SDP emerged in second place with a total vote of 82,211, while the PDP was third with 67,457 votes. Unsatisfied with the outcome of the election, SDP Zoni had on July 7th filed a petition at the tribunal challenging the declaration of the All Progressive Congress candidates Biodun Oyebanji by the Independent National Electoral Commission as the winner of the election.
We are not accepting this judgment. We are definitely appealing against it because so many issues, crucial issues, in the petition were deliberately left unattended to, which we are going to canvass on appeal. As I've stated earlier, you are aware that there are three legs to this petition. This is the first leg of court. We have the second leg of court, which is the Court of Appeal, and we have the last one, which is Supreme Court. And go and watch the previous decisions where governors were removed from office. You will realize that it is usually the Supreme Court who are tainted, who are unbiased.
It is the right of any party that is dissatisfied to appeal. But what I've said is that I hope that all parties will agree that we cannot continue this marathon in court, that it is time to reach out to each other.
It's a victory for democracy, and I dedicate this to Almighty God and to the people of Ekiti State. It's a validation of what they did during the election, and I thank the judiciary for upholding our victory as a party. I see it as a context, and I hereby call on Shegoni to join hands with me to develop the state. He is my leader. I have absolute respect for him, and that respect has not diminished. So I'll be linking up with him so that we can work together. He was part and parcel of this party before, and I'm going to call him back to his former party.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.